There's a girl who hasn't spoken to me in 3 years, and every single morning, she's the first person to open my profile. Let me back up. We were best friends since we were 11, inseparable. Then in our 20s, we had this huge fight, the kind where you say things you can't take back. She blocked my number, I deleted her photos. We never spoke again. I genuinely thought she hated me. A few months ago, a friend showed me this little tool that shows who actually views your profile. Not who likes, not who comments, the people who just quietly look. I expected coworkers, maybe my mom. Instead, the name at the top of that list, every day for months, was her. So I started paying attention to when, and that's when it got to me. She didn't watch randomly. She opened my profile at 7:42 in the morning, every day. That was the exact time we used to call each other on the way to school, for almost 10 years. The day I posted about my engagement, she checked my profile 14 times. She never liked it, she never said a word, she just watched. And here's the thing nobody tells you. The people who disappear from your life don't actually leave. They just go quiet and keep watching from the dark. The fight, the block, the silence, none of it makes you invisible to them. I only know all of this because I could finally see my visitor list. Every name, every time. The people who think they're invisible. If someone from your past is still quietly checking on you every day, you deserve to know who. Check the link in the description.